What is up, guys? It's Kilfrick here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my custom logo for my YouTube channel. I'm thinking about doing this. If you guys want me to make your own for you, all I ask is for you guys to subscribe to the channel. No paying, no anything. Send me your email, subscribe to the channel, and I'll make your custom logo for your channel. I'll even put it as a PNG, so you can make it as a YouTube banner if you really wanted to. So yeah, just let me know if you guys want to do that. There's really not much to this video. It's just show you guys how I made it. I kind of went faster than my original one that's on the right. It took me about 50 minutes compared to the one I did on the left, which I did this one in like 12 minutes just to get it done quickly. Which honestly, the 12-minute one actually came out pretty good after I was done with it. But that was because I had a reference from my right one that I already did. But anyways, this is pretty much it, everybody. Thank you guys for watching the video, and stay awesome. I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
So strong enough. So strong, it's so strong, it's so strong. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to